Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of SJEC Heavy Engineering Limited versus Income Tax Officer. This case has been reported in 103 ITR Tribunal at page number 152. The matter has been decided by Chandigarh ITAT bench and the date of the judgment is 13th March 2023. This case is regarding levy of penalty under section 271 subsection 1 clause C in consequence of confirmation of addition, and that too up to a limited extent by the ITAT under section 14A. In the present case, the assessee has made some investments on which the exempt income was earned. It was the allegation of the assessing officer that the assessee has incurred various administrative expenditure to earn the exempt income. While assessee has not made any disallowance under section 14A read with rule 8D subrule 2 subrule III, so the assessing officer, without mentioning in the assessment order that what administrative expenditure has been incurred for earning the exempt income, made the addition of 0.5% of the average investments. Assessee went to the CIT appeal against this order. CIT appeal upheld the order of the learned assessing officer. Assessee moved to the ITAT for the quantum appeal, and the ITAT restricted the addition under section 14A read with rule 8D subrule 2 subrule III to the extent of 5 lakh, and that too on the lump sum basis. As soon as this addition was confirmed up to rupees 5 lakh, and that too on the estimation basis and in lump sum manner, the assessing officer passed the penalty order up to rupees 5 lakh and calculated the penalty of near about rupees 1.5 lakh. The assessee moved to the CIT appeal for this penalty order, but the CIT appeal upheld the order of the penalty of the assessing officer. So the assessee moved to the ITAT. It was the submission of the assessee that if the addition has been made on the basis of some estimation, and just because the claim of the assessee has not been admitted by the assessing officer, the claim of the assessee was that I have not incurred any expenditure on earning the exempt income, and even the assessing officer has not refuted this claim in the assessment order, and the assessing officer has not mentioned in the assessment order that what administrative expenditure the assessee has incurred for the exempt income. So just because the addition has been done under section 14A read with rule 8D subrule 2 clause III, and that too on the estimation basis, it cannot be said that the assessee has concealed his income, because for levying the penalty under section 271 subsection 1 clause C, it is the prime soul of section that the assessing officer should demonstrate that the assessee has furnished inaccurate particulars. Simply because the claim of the assessee has not been admitted and some additions have been made on some estimation basis, in that case the penalty under section 271 subsection 1 clause C cannot be levied on the assessee for concealment of income. The ITAT also said that the assessee has produced books of accounts, and without examining the books of accounts regarding the incurrence of administrative expenditure for earning the exempt income, it cannot be said that the assessee has concealed his income. Friends, this case is very important because whenever some additions are confirmed or some additions are restricted to some amount, the assessing officers passed the penalty order to that extent. So this case will help them in dealing with all those cases to get out of the penalty under section 271 subsection 1 clause C. At the end of this video, I am once again repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is SJAC Heavy Engineering Limited versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 103 ITR Tribunal at page number 152. The matter has been decided by Chandigarh ITAT A bench, and the date of the judgment is 13th March 2023. Thank you, friends.